Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxygen in a lab. We'll explore a straightforward and safe method commonly used in educational and research settings. This process relies on a simple chemical reaction that releases oxygen gas efficiently. You'll learn about the necessary materials, the steps involved, and important safety precautions to ensure a successful experiment. Let's get started with the core components you'll need. To begin, you'll need a few key items. First, obtain a 3% solution of hydrogen peroxide, readily available at most pharmacies. Next, secure some manganese dioxide powder, which acts as our catalyst. For the setup, you'll use a conical flask, a rubber stopper with a hole, a delivery tube, and a gas collection jar. Ensure all your glassware is clean and dry before starting the experiment for optimal results. The core of this experiment is the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. When hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, breaks down, it forms water, H2O, and oxygen gas, O2. The manganese dioxide acts as a catalyst, dramatically increasing the reaction rate without being consumed itself. This means a small amount of catalyst can facilitate the production of a large volume of oxygen. It's a fascinating example of how catalysts work in chemistry. Now for the procedure. Pour approximately 50 milliliters of the 3% hydrogen peroxide solution into your conical flask. Then, carefully add about 1 gram of manganese dioxide powder. Quickly insert the stopper with the delivery tube, directing the tube into a gas collection jar filled with water. Oxygen gas will bubble into the jar, displacing the water. Remember to always wear safety goggles and conduct this experiment in a well-ventilated space for your protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.